Cicadas, the latest food trend? Cicadas are low in fat, high in protein, and have a nutty taste. Bill Broadbent, president of edible insect company Entosense, compares their nutritional value to beef, stating that they are high in protein, contain healthy fats, and are a good source of antioxidants. Restaurants like Bug Appetit in New Orleans and El Rey in Philadelphia are incorporating cicadas into their dishes, offering cicada salad, roasted cicadas, and cicada-infused salsas and soups. Even home cooks like Jim Warner are experimenting with cicadas, sautéing them in olive oil for a nutty flavor and a satisfying crunch. While cicadas offer a unique culinary experience, it's important to note that they are related to shellfish, making them unsuitable for those with shellfish allergies. Additionally, foraging for cicadas can pose potential health risks due to limited research on their safety. Cicadas are making a buzz in the culinary world, offering a sustainable and nutritious alternative for adventurous food enthusiasts.